Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to check your Employee Provident Fund balance online. First, you need an active universal account number, commonly known as UAN. This unique 12-digit number serves as your primary identifier for all EPF-related services. Make sure your UAN is activated and linked with your Aadhaar, PAN, and bank account for smooth transactions. This foundational step is crucial for accessing any online services related to your Provident Fund contributions. The UMANG mobile application provides a highly convenient method for checking your EPF balance on the go. After downloading the app and completing the simple registration, search for EPFO in the main menu. From there, select Employee-Centric Services and then View Passbook. You will then enter your UAN and the one-time password sent to your registered mobile number, revealing your updated balance. This process usually takes less than 1 minute to complete after initial setup. For a detailed view, the official EPFO member portal is an excellent resource. Simply visit the Unified Member Portal website, logging in with your UAN and chosen password. Once inside, find the Our Services tab and select for Employees, then Member Passbook. This will display your entire account statement, including contributions from all previous employers, offering a comprehensive financial overview. You can often download this statement as a PDF for your records. If you prefer simpler, non-internet methods, checking your EPF balance via SMS or a missed call is very straightforward. For an SMS update, just send EPFO UMANG to 7738, 99,899 from your registered mobile number. Alternatively, give a missed call to 99,604, 488. Both methods deliver your balance directly to your phone within moments, provided your UAN is properly linked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.